Hello, I'm Greg Harrison with the USDA Livestock Grain Market News Service here in St. Joe, Missouri with your National Feeder Cattle Summary this week, filling in for Corbett Wall. Feeder cattle prices this week advanced again, with calves and yearlings selling generally $1 to $4 higher, with the exception of some of the major markets in the southern plains. Early in the week at Oklahoma National Stock Yards called their market slightly lower. Calf prices in some of the worst drought-stricken areas, like in the state of Missouri, saw gains as much as $10 higher on calves and yearlings, with a lot of out-of-state buying interest this week. And on Wednesday of this week at the St. Joe Stock Yards, one consignment consisting of 3 pot loads of yearling heifers weighing 690 to 700 pounds, selling with very good weighing conditions, traded from $143.50 to $145.85. Cattle had good demand this week from buyers. We've got a lot of silage choppers out there running through the Midwest and through the Corn Belt at a brisk pace as farmers are looking for an outlet for this drought-damaged corn. Last couple of weeks, live and feeder cattle prices have been trending mostly higher, and with last week's fat cattle trade $3 to $5 higher has put a lot of buying interest back into the feeder cattle market for this week. Box beef prices this week advanced over $6 on choice product, closing Friday at $184.95. Corn remains the wild card, as last 2 weeks we've seen corn trading mostly in a sideways pattern for the most part. Looking for a waiting direction from this week's USDA supply and demand report. And on Friday morning, USDA dropped corn production to 10.77 billion bushels. That's down from 12.9 billion bushels in July. Yields came in at 123.4 bushels per acre. That's down from 146 bushels per acre last month. And interesting to note that after these reports were released Friday, corn for September closed 18.25 cents lower, trading at $8 even, and December corn closed 14.5 cents lower at $8.0925. Weekly progress report, USDA had 50% of the corn crop now rated poor to very poor, and that's compared to 48% last week and 16% last year. Pastures in the U.S. are rated at 59% poor to very poor, with the state of Missouri in dire straits at 99% of their pasture and range land rated poor to very poor, and the state of Missouri has a little over 6% of the overall beef cow total. Liquidation will continue to occur in the cattle markets, as what started out to be a year of early grass has now brought us to a point of no grass at all. Looking at some regional weighted averages in the north central regions, steers weighing 600 to 700 pounds, $3 higher this week at $144.66. 700 to 800 pounds, steady with last week at $142.58. 800 to 900 pound steers also steady at $136.85. In the south central regions, steer calves weighing 500 to 600 pounds, $3 higher than last week at $142.49. 600 to 700 pound steers, $3 higher at $139.09, and 700 to 800 pounds, $1 higher, trading at $137.22. And this has been your Market News Report. Hope you have a good week. Corbett will be back with you next week, and you can catch more of our markets at this website. Thank you for listening.